Victoria, where were you at? What ultimately, made you feel like you need to take that leap to get on a call with me and to talk about the breakthrough?
I was really starting to struggle with anxiety. I was staying up really late every night, waking up, rolling out of bed, immediately starting to work, didn't eat breakfast, didn't drink water, drank a ton of coffee, didn't exercise, just really wasn't taking care of myself. And I was going to therapy, but when I would try to talk about my anxiety, it almost felt like my therapist didn't want to talk about it. She was always telling me to look outward for
Mm.
my solutions rather than looking inward.
What are some of the things that has made the biggest difference for you?
The biggest has just been filling my own cup and taking care of myself. Just those foundations of getting sleep, drinking water, not only drinking coffee all day, feeding myself, all of these things that I really wasn't doing. And realizing that I need that time for myself where I'm not just on my phone, giving myself constant mind pollution, but actually sitting with myself and saying, what do I need today? How do I feel today? And just kind of being able to be with myself, which I really didn't do before. Through this program, I've learned how to love myself and take care of myself, which I was not doing before at all.
Tell us about some of your wins and results so far, just only a couple months into the program.
I don't have to worry about my anxiety every day anymore. I repaired a lot of relationships. So I wasn't talking to my mom before Breakthrough. I hadn't seen my dad in 2 years. And so through Breakthrough, I repaired those relationships. And the best part of that is when I repaired my relationship with my dad, he also repaired his relationship with his mom. He hadn't seen her for 12 years. She was basically very sick and he still never wanted to see her. But when I reached out to him, he did the same to his mom. And they came together and I was there and they were hugging. And it was just the most beautiful, magical moment of my life. And that's when I was like, this is the magic. This is me taking care of myself is the ripple effect into my family and the rest of my life. Then the week after, my breakthrough lesson was on abundance. And then I got just a random bonus. So it was just crazy. It was mind blowing.
And is there anything else that you can share about how that's rippled and how doing the work inside the breakthrough, how you've seen other changes aside from just these kind of three tangible things?
I've just really been taking care of myself and I just feel like I've been a better friend, person, partner. I feel like I've learned a lot about my codependencies and my own insecurities and how I project that onto other people and my partner. And I feel like I've been such a better partner. And so we just have so much more peace and happiness and love. And it's just great to feel I feel like I felt a lot of guilt of I'm not being a good partner. And now I know that I am because I have so much more confidence and I'm filling my own cup rather than expecting him to fill my cup. One of the biggest things that you taught me, and it was very early on, is that self-love and self-trust is the antidote to anxiety. And it's very true. The confidence, the self-love, the self-compassion, and the self-trust that I've built for myself has been what has led me to not having to worry about my anxiety anymore.
What would you say to those folks who are maybe just kind of getting to know me, or maybe they're on the fence, or they're not sure, if they want to join the breakthrough or if they even want to reach out? What are some things that you would say to that as somebody who has, just only been inside the program for just a few months?
If you're on the fence and if you're thinking about it, the way that I see it is your intuition and your gut or your soul is telling you that you need it. And I think that you should listen to that. Now that I'm looking back, I'm my gut, my soul was definitely telling me something. It was telling me that I needed something. And I know that it was the right decision because I know how much growth and wins and ripple effect that it's created and this program has created for me and everything that I've learned from you as a life coach.
All right, y'all, we are going to sign off from here. Bye, y'all.